Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create your own free CRM in Notion to track all your clients and leads without any expensive software. First, create a new database in Notion and select the table view. This will be the core of your CRM. Name your first column client or company name. This is where you'll list every lead and customer. Next, add a status property. Use the select type with stages like new lead, contacted, proposal sent, and customer. This lets you see your entire sales pipeline at a glance. Now add an email property to store their contact information. Use the email type so you can click to send a message directly. Create a last contacted property using the date type. This is crucial for following up on time and keeping relationships warm. For important details, add a notes property. Use the text type to log key conversations, needs, or next steps. Finally, switch to the board view, grouped by the status property. This gives you a powerful visual pipeline of your entire sales process. And that's it. You now have a fully customizable CRM to manage your business relationships efficiently and for free. If this helps you close more deals, let me know what kind of clients you're tracking down below, and I'll see you in the next one.